Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm in dire need of a DIY today. This, look at it, look at it carefully, does not go down. This used to be a dress. A dress up to here, maybe here. This is it. This is what this COVID has done to me. So it's time for a DIY. Yep. Hey, so I'm back. Remember this dress that I showed you? I was like, see, look how long it actually is. I don't know if you can see here, but yeah, it doesn't go down. So I'm gonna cut it right from the bottom, the dress. I'm gonna cut it from the bottom all the way to the middle here, about, and you'll see what I'm gonna turn it into. So, I'm ready. Hey, I'm back. So this is it. This was that dress that wouldn't go past my hips. Slid it in the middle, and now I can wear it this way. I can just put my hands in my pocket. It looks really, really cute. I paired it with a little jean belt. And don't you love the pattern of this blouse? That's what I love. Well, blouse, it used to be a dress. So you see, don't throw or get rid of any of those dresses. You can just easily do a DIY. Split in the middle right here, hemmed it, and it's over. And then with a cute belt like that, just perfect. Take a picture of it for you so you can see better than the video. So that was my DIY for this Sunday. Bye.